Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show my second project on image editing. So what will do? It will access my camera and return me the live values of the brightness, saturation, hue, and contrast. And in the second frame, I am having the adjusted frame where I can control these four parameters. I can have the button where it can save and stop button to terminate the execution and reset button also there. So let's demonstrate that. So first I will access this location. Go for anaconda prompt, maximize. Now cd for this location, list all the files. So to execute this Python file, I have to activate the environment. So I have created already an environment where I had worked. So to check what are the environments available, conda env list. It will return all the conda environment variables and conda environment names that I have created. So now I am in the base. So I have to switch to mpenv where I have worked with those projects, and I had locally and privately installed the required packages in the which which don't affect the external packages, and it will run for the particular versions that I have created in that environment. To activate that, conda activate mp underscore env image processing environment. If you observe the base to mpenv, it is switched. So I am inside the mpenv. So I want to check what are the packages that I have installed. For that, conda list. Simple. So it will list all the packages and which version I have installed. So these are the packages that I have installed for this environment to work with any of these packages or Python files project. Okay, install. Now I want to execute this my Python project 2, that is image edit version 1, Python v1. If I run this code, it will access my camera. If you see here, in the frame 1 it is original, in the image 2 it is adjusted. And if you observe one more thing, that is this is my brightness, live brightness, contrast, and hue and saturation. If I adjust this, if you see here, it is just like some semantic effect where in movies it is used to uh, impress that this is for the dreaming character. So that's it. So this is to adjust the controls for each values. And now I am having the live, so it will reset again. If I adjust this brightness, if I click on save, then image 1 is saved. If I click one more, save, if you see here, image 2 is saved in the saved images folder, which is created newly. If you open this new, in the new folder, image 1 and image 2 is created. So it is just like image editing, and you can save after editing. This is a simple project. Whoever wants to do image processing and image editing tasks, and this is my stop button to terminate everything. If I stop, it is terminated everything. Auto automatically stopped. Now I want to reset my environment. I want to deactivate this environment. Simple. Honda deactivate. So if I do Honda deactivate, it will deactivate everything. So there is an spelling mistake, deactivate. So it is came to reset to base. That's it. If you have any innovative ideas, let me know in the comments.